Hi, and welcome to PathWise Productions. My name is Tim Bradley. I'm a licensed marriage and family therapist since 1994 and author of the training guide, Creating a Life I Love. At PathWise, we use a combination of proven methods to significantly reduce or eliminate negative emotions from your traumatic memories, significantly reduce or eliminate your anxiety and depression, help you replace old unwanted habits with desirable ones, quickly resolve difficult relationship issues, and help you to create a life you love. All sessions can be done online or in person. I know it's difficult to take the first step, so to make it easier, I'm offering a free consultation online or in person to answer any questions you may have and to see for yourself if PathWise is right for you. Just click on the link provided to schedule your free consultation today.